Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to talk about a topic that has been concerning me for the last couple of days, weeks, and is how to balance time between a full-time job and your affiliate business. Okay, this is something difficult to arrange because a full-time job takes a lot of the time you have every single day when you are trying to create content, engage, make videos, edit, run promotions, run campaigns, learn, watch videos, read books. All of that is difficult to do everything in one day, and it is even more difficult when you have to take 8 hours, maybe 10, including the commuting. I work 1 hour from my house, so it's 1 hour to go, then 1 hour back, and it's 8 hours there. So it's difficult to then, when you come back home, to actually have the energy you need to have in order to do the engagement, to do the content creation, to do the video that I'm doing now, but now is like a habit I have. But the other things like writing, like engaging, writing emails, is a little more difficult because it takes more time, I believe. So right now, thinking very well, thank God. I asked this question yesterday in a couple of Facebook groups, got great ideas from members of those groups who are in this affiliate marketing journey and who have also been having to do both full-time job and affiliate marketing, or are right now in the same struggle. So reading throughout the comments, a few of them said that it's good maybe to work or early in the morning before going, or late at night. Right now I've been trying to do late at night, but I feel that I'm very tired at the end of the day because it's 2 hours of commuting, then 8 hours that you have to be there focused, and then I normally try to do some exercise, so starting at 9:30 p.m. is kind of difficult. That's why right now I've been thinking about it for some hours now today, and I think that the best way to tackle this is early in the morning before going to work. So from now on I'm going to make a 21-day challenge where I wake up at 5:30, starting slowly applying the Kaizen method. 5:30 from now for 21 days, 5 if I can, but from 5 to 6:30 that I usually go to eat breakfast, try to do read a little bit, maybe 15-minute reading, and then 15 minutes to create the content I'm going to be posting on Facebook that I'm going to use for engagement, or that could help me be as an email for my subscribers. So try to use those minutes early in the morning that I have the energy to be more creative, to get ideas from a book or from posts of other people. I will put the ideas the night before, and read a little bit, start writing, and after writing that, post it in my way of commuting, but do that early in the morning, because I've been trying to do it late, like 9, 10, 11, and my brain is not working as I want. I'm really tired and I need to be focused. I want to make this thing happen. So this 21-day challenge, to see how this goes, to see if it works, I think is the only way. I have to be more disciplined in this aspect. So try to do this for 21 days. So the goal of making this change is to put in the work before going to work, before commuting, so that I can be more relaxed, think better. I don't have the whole pressure at night that I have to do that yes or yes before going to bed. Instead of that, focus on doing the number one thing I have to do very early in the morning before even going to work. And then if I have time and during the day in my lunch break, continue working on that, gathering ideas, writing in my notebook, writing copy, practicing, get that done early in the morning, so that later in the day or at night that I usually have more time to work on this, I can be more relaxed, can be, researching, learning, continue doing the work, continue engaging, but more relaxed, not as worried, as thinking that through that during the whole day. So I think this is the best way to go. I will tell you how it goes. I've been trying to do this affiliate business late at night, but I usually find myself very tired after commuting, working, doing exercise for the whole day. So I'm not with all my energy, all my 5 senses that I need to put into this business that is important to me. So that's why I want to make this change, make this 21-day challenge, see how it goes. With this schedule that I've been having, I've been getting some results, getting a couple sales, but not the ones I want to have. So I know that in order to get different results and better results in this case, I have to do things differently. And this is just one experiment. I will see if it works, and if it doesn't, I will go back to what I'm doing right now. But I think that it's better to tackle the things that are concerning you, or the most important thing that you have to accomplish every day, very early in the morning. So I will make this change. I will let you guys know how it works for me. And for all of you guys that are currently working and also trying to get your online business off the ground, I encourage you to do this as well. Try to do the most important thing that you want to accomplish at the beginning of your day, very early in the morning, before starting the other activities that you have to do. This advice I have took it from Mike Dama, one of the mentors that is inside of one of Tai Lopez programs, and I believe is something that can actually help me right now in these moments where I have this issue, this concern that is been going over my head for some days now, for some weeks, and that I know that I need to change if I want to see the results I want. So just wanted to put it out there, share this concern with you guys. If you relate with me or are having this same issue, you are working a full-time job but also want to get your online business going, I would like to connect with you, have a conversation, maybe exchange some ideas, maybe we can help each other out. The goal here is to keep improving, keep learning, and keep helping other people and myself as well. So that's all I have for you today. Hope this video is valuable for you, and as always, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next video.